So today I'm going to be showing you my stuffed toys. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 stuffed toys. Let me show you. So my first stuffed toy I have is this one. Yeah. Let me show you. I love him so much. Then next of that is this. Teddy. Damage on my hand. Next. And this one is Foxy. Where's Cupcake? Then this one. And then this one is Jacob. Jake. So this is all my stuffed toys. I love them so much. So this video is going to be I want this video to get how many likes? 10 likes. And this is push the subscribe button and the notification bell and comment down below what video should I make next.